Hello, everyone. In this session, the focus is on understanding the brand master in the Onfinity ERP system. The objective is to explain the concept of brand master and how it is used in the context of business processes. The prerequisite for this is a configured tenant in the environment. Organizations must be set up in the tenant. A brand is a distinct identity that represents a company, product, service, or individual. It includes elements such as name, logo, design, values, reputation, and customer perception. A brand defines how an entity is recognized and experienced by its audience, and how it differentiates itself from competitors in the market. Some common examples include Apple, Toyota, Zara, and Coca-Cola. Log in to the system. The brand master can be searched using the menu search utility. Alternatively, navigate to Master Data Management under Product Management to access the brand master. Click to open the brand master and select New Record. To create a brand under the star organization, first remove any filters. Create a new record by entering the brand name. For example, enter Apple and save. Then create another brand like Toyota, and save again. The assigned products for each brand will be displayed in the System Maintained tab. No manual action is required in this tab. Once a brand is selected in the product setup, the system will automatically list all associated products under the brand. This concludes the Brand Master setup. Thank you for attending.